Tropical Storm Grace. That's what we're taking a look at today. So today is Tuesday, August 17. The time is around midday. The last update I saw on Tropical Storm Grace is that it's passing by 80 and it's a few miles from St. Thomas, moving around 14, 15. What is it measured in? Knots. So that's how it's traveling, not traveling very fast. Here in Kingston, we're getting rain since last Monday night, because today is Tuesday, the 17th. A little heavier winds now, here and there, throughout Kingston. I see a few broken branches around, and in some areas they have a lot of waters, a lot of flooding as well. So Tropical Storm Grace, this is before it has touched land, but we're still getting some effects. Still getting breeze, still getting rain, still getting flooding. Some cars have broken down on the road as well. So just keeping you guys updated. This is also a rain drive, so you guys stay tuned. You guys watch till the end. So it's another rain drive. We're basically here on Red Hills Road. We'll be heading towards Boulevard side, so you guys stay tuned for that. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and thanks for watching. So stay tuned guys while we go on the road. Alright, so if you can look up the Red Hills, up in the hills, you see how dark it is. A lot of rain, cloud, fog, and it has been that way since last night. Passing Meadowbrook, or popularly known as Price Right. Alright guys, so stay tuned, and again, leave your comments guys. As we can see, lots of water on the road. And it's always advised, if the water is too high, don't chance it. Especially if your vehicle is not a SUV or a van. And if you don't know the road, it's best to turn back as well. But you probably don't know where the potholes are or any breakaway. So all this water is running off Red Hills Road. This is also a downhill, so you know that the water is gonna naturally run down this road. And this will drop us out right in front of Queensboro. So if you guys can stay inside, stay inside. Remember to stay safe. Personally, I have to be on the road for more than one reason. So I'm just using the opportunity to show you guys what's happening nevertheless. Alright, so we're now on Malines Road, heading to Boulevard side. So you guys stay tuned while we check out the different areas. The breeze has calmed down a little bit, so not a lot of wind right now. So I know some persons like the rain drive as well. So not only that we're tracking Tropical Storm Grace, but it's a rain drive. Would have preferred the rain without a storm, because Yeah, some persons love the rain, but a storm will come with damage, destruction, loss of life and everything. So yeah, so passing the intersection for Sunrise Drive. Very good when you have a reliable vehicle as well. And I can say that in every vehicle that I've driven presently and in the past, they have never broken down in water. If you guys have ever broken down while driving, because of flood water, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what that experience is like. So out here I have a lot of water running down from the roads on the left. If you guys have ever broken down in flood water, let me know. Let me know what your experience was like. So some areas have more water than others. But since last night, this has been the weather in Kingston. And if you're in Jamaica and not in Kingston, let me know. I guess you'll see this video tomorrow. So this video will be posted tomorrow, Wednesday, August 18th. So let me know what the rain was like in your area. And if tomorrow Wednesday we're still having a lot of rain and wind, you can always share your current weather condition. And again, guys, leave your comments. We always do driving videos, so if rain is falling, why not still do a driving video? Alright, so we're closer now to the intersection of Malines Road and Washington Boulevard. So we see some water running down from off Boulevard, because again this road is slightly sloped, so you're gonna always have a lot of water running down on these roads that have a sloping of some sort. Alright guys, so not a very long drive, just wanted to share a little bit of what's happening on the road for you guys. So we'll end the video soon. So to the right is Pembroke Hall, to the left is Dunrobin, straight ahead is to Halfway Tree. The water always run off Malines Road, run down Malines Road. I'm not sure if that's the case same way. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and leave your comments. So we're on Malines Road and into the direction of Halfway Tree. And I'll definitely see you guys on another driving video. Alright, so this is Malines Road. Always a lot of water here. Always flooding on Malines. So you guys can see, looks like a few vehicles have also broken down. So that's the current situation for Malines Road. I'm gonna take this right turn. Alright guys, see you on another driving video. Alright guys, so this is Waltham Park Road. So I know I officially ended the video, but I came on Waltham and this is like a river. It's running all the way down. So just wanted to show you guys this as well. So this is Waltham Park Road, Kingston. Alright guys, again this is Waltham Park. Crazy rain. And the funny thing is you know, every time it rains very hard, you know, Waltham Park is like this. It's like a river, because again it's downhill. So yeah, Waltham Park.
This is Sandy Bay, right? The bridge collapsed on the highway somewhere there. Got the bus in the water. Shit me head.
That's my road. That's my road. That is the road.
Nobody. I've lived in Sandy Bay for so many years and I've never seen the bridge there. The bridge come over. If you never see a bridge, I'm living here 1 years like first step you come over. So I say water going bad, we can't even go too close. So people park hours now and there's a gully behind them called Rasta Corner and so they too. So them can't go left and them can't go right. They have to just stay right here. So some person that try chance it, they're brave.
Look on China Garden, on China River, water shoot like gunshot. Watch it. Let me can't get away that way. Walk around and video and shoot and send up and get. Just let me get the pay, the chop hands, you know, the little dollars there. Then chop hands there, then penny there, you know. Yeah. Walk here on the road, this now water take it over, you know. You go back a zoo now, watch you now. The road if you go a zoo, this is no water like crazy. Yeah, some used to run up and down and ride bicycle and so forth, you know, but watch you. You can't swim here now. Yeah, but I can't swim. With a John. Well, I could try something for you with dog paddle. You see me?